will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Tor browser app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click on apps. Come to this list here, indeed you're looking for Tor browser app, or just click on search. Then here at Tor browser app, it's going to show for you like this here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache here. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search for Tor browser app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,